guys, welcome back to 604 Diecast Customs. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Just gonna do a quick video here. Found 3 new cars for the collection. Pretty stoked on these. 2 of which are brand new castings. So first of all, we've got the recolor here of the Lamborghini Countach police car. I do have the black and white one already, so I was pretty excited to pick up the blue and white one. Pretty awesome here. Then we have a brand new model. This one's never been done. It is the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Pretty excited for that. That's a super sick car. Got the detail on the back, detail on the front, and it's a convertible as well. Super nice. And then this one I'm real excited about. I'm a huge Porsche fan. So we've got the Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid Sport Turismo. That's a long name there. But this is a beautiful car. I love the wagon. In the Nardo gray. Super nice. So we're going to crack these open here, boys. Look at that. Super nice. So you've got the Y5 wheels. You got the Porsche decal on the front there. The headlights are actually part of the window, so they're a separate piece, which is nice. Gives them a little contrast. Like I said, we have the Y5 wheels. Details on the back, taillights, Porsche, and then Hot Wheels on the license plate. That's a super nice car. I'm excited. Grab a few of those and recolor those. Next, we got the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. And again, this is a new casting for this year. First time this one's been done. Plastic base, metal body. This is nice though, it's a metallic silver. Got tail lights on the back, exposed engine there. Real nice. And then we've got the Lamborghini and headlight details on the front. She rolls nice. And the recolor of the Countach police car. Nice, we've got the new style of wheels. I'm not sure what they call these, I'll have to look that one up. But blue and white instead. We've got the red window. It's got headlights, the Lamborghini emblem. No details on the back. That's okay because we've got full body decals, so nice. And just to show you, this is the black and white one. It's got the gold 5 spokes, blue window. Nice. Super excited for this Centenario. This Porsche as well. Definitely going to do a couple recolors and wheel swaps of this one. That's awesome. That's all we got today for you guys though. Just wanted to open those up. Thanks for watching. We'll get some better shots of these. And join me real soon for a custom video. We've got it in the works. I'll just give you a quick little glimpse here. We're upgrading a Rubicon. So we'll see you in a couple days when that video comes up. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.